In 2025, AI is transforming how students learn, study, and manage their academic work. With tools that provide personalized support, organize information, and boost productivity, students now have technology that adapts to their needs. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, acts as a versatile study companion, offering instant help with understanding concepts, drafting essays, and generating study materials. Its conversational interface makes learning interactive and personalized, adapting to each student's pace. Claude introduces learning modes that deepen comprehension and critical thinking, helping students engage with study materials in more meaningful ways. Together, these AI models exemplify the shift toward adaptive, interactive learning. Notion AI enhances organization and collaboration by integrating AI into note-taking and task management. Students can structure notes, manage projects, and work with peers seamlessly, improving productivity and focus. Google NotebookLM complements this by transforming lecture notes and documents into interactive study aids, with features like audio playback and summarization that make reviewing content more efficient and accessible. Tutor.ai provides personalized tutoring, offering exercises and lessons tailored to each learner's strengths and weaknesses. Otter.ai converts lectures and meetings into written transcripts, helping students review spoken content easily, while Gradescope automates grading and provides timely feedback, enabling students to track and improve their performance. AudioPen.ai converts spoken words into text instantly, allowing for quick capture of ideas and notes, especially for students who prefer speaking over typing. Brainly fosters collaborative learning, connecting students with peers and experts to solve problems collectively, while Smart Sparrow uses adaptive platforms to deliver content tailored to individual learner profiles, encouraging mastery and engagement. These tools highlight how AI enhances both independent and collaborative learning experiences. Beyond these, several other AI apps are shaping how students study and succeed. QuillBot is widely used for paraphrasing, grammar correction, and improving writing style, giving students cleaner, more polished assignments. Grammarly takes this a step further by offering advanced AI-driven grammar checks, tone suggestions, and clarity improvements, making it a must-have for writing across disciplines. Socratic by Google helps students solve homework problems by breaking down solutions step by step, making difficult concepts easier to understand. Elicit is an AI research assistant that simplifies the process of finding academic sources, summarizing papers, and organizing research ideas, which is invaluable for essays and dissertations. Quizlet now integrates AI to generate personalized quizzes and flashcards that adjust to a student's progress, ensuring smarter revision sessions. Perplexity AI serves as a research and study tool, pulling from credible sources to provide well-cited answers that encourage deeper exploration of topics. Finally, Caktus AI offers tailored writing support, coding help, and problem solving, positioning itself as a direct academic-focused alternative to broader AI models. As AI continues to evolve, its role in education grows more vital. By leveraging these technologies, students can improve performance, save time, and develop essential skills for the future, making AI not just a tool, but a key partner in modern learning.